numbing solution to the top of here. So we're just gonna put a small amount, but generous enough to cover the whole area with a little bit excess from the area that you're gonna be covering. And we're just gonna go ahead and apply a generous amount to the whole area that we're going to be doing. And right after we go ahead and we apply the small generous amount to the area, we're going to take some regular old saran wrap. You can get this at any store, Dollar General, Kroger's, Walmart, hell, AutoZone may even have it. And we're just going to go ahead and make sure that we securely saran our whole area that we're going to tattoo. Guys, you got to make sure this is airtight. Airtight is the key, 100%. And we're just gonna pull right off right there, and we're just gonna flatten it all the way down. Remember guys, I told you, airtight is the key. If you guys also wanted a pro tip for the area, you can take a little bit of cloth tape. Once again, you can get this at any Walmart, Kroger's, or anywhere that you shop and buy your groceries or buy medical products. And we're just gonna come around here to the edge and apply a little bit of tape. And guys, this is just gonna make sure that we lock it in the air. We're gonna give this about 90 minutes, and we're gonna come back and we're gonna take the wrap up off of this. All right guys, it's been about 90 minutes, so we're just gonna go ahead and come right here, and we're just gonna go ahead and peel right to where we laid it at. Make sure that we break the little tape area so we can go ahead and get that off the skin. And we're just gonna unwrap, completely clear and clean. It's been sitting for about 90 minutes, so it's good. It's soaked into the skin. And then we're gonna come once again, apply a little bit more to the area, take one of the same type of cloths that we cleaned with it at before, and we're just gonna go ahead and wipe away. And guys, right after you wipe away, clean, safe, sanitary, nice and numb, and we're good to go for the whole tattoo process.